What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope all is well with everybody. Family, today I would like to bring you part 2 of my self-defense tools that are not firearms, y'all. Oh yeah, it's part 2 of my self-defense tools that are not firearms. Family, in part 1, I brought you some of my blunt force self-defense tools, y'all. But today, family, I would like to bring you some of my cutting, some of my slashing, some of my penetrating tools, y'all. Oh yeah, family. Family, we're gonna start down here with the machete. Yeah, we're gonna start with the machete, y'all. You know, the machete is a very effective self-defense tool. The machete is currently being used in conflicts in many regions all around the world, y'all. The machete is most effective when using slashing, chopping, or even stabbing techniques, y'all. Oh yeah, that's a machete, y'all. A very effective self-defense tool. Moving right along, fam. We got a tactical pen, y'all. Yeah, we have a tactical pen. You know, the tactical pen is a very low-key and discreet self-defense tool. It can shatter car windows, or for self-defense, family, it can shatter a skull. Oh yeah, fam. You know, I carry a tactical pen pretty much every day, y'all. A very, very effective self-defense tool. Moving right along, y'all. Of course, we have the knives, fam. Yeah, we have the knives. So, of course, the knives come in different configurations. You have the fixed blade knives, as you see here. We have the out the front knife, where the blade actually deploys out of the handle and retracts back into the handle. And we have the folding knife or pocket knife, y'all. Oh yeah. You know, knives are a very effective self-defense tool when used in a slicing or stabbing motion, y'all. Some of the other benefits are, you know, they're easy to conceal, they're easy to carry, and they're very accessible, y'all. Oh yeah. So those are some of the knives, fam. Moving right along, we had a tomahawk, y'all. Oh yeah, we had a tomahawk, family. You know, the tomahawk is used in much of the same way as the knives. It has that large cutting face, but it also has that deep, substantial, penetrating point there, y'all. Oh yeah, it has that penetrating spike. Yeah, family. So, you know, the tomahawk makes for a very, very nice, very effective self-defense tool. So that's it, fam. So that's it. Just to recap, family, we have the machete. We have the tactical pen. We have the knives. And we have the tomahawk, y'all. Oh yeah. So these are my penetrating self-defense tools, y'all. Family, I would like to encourage you to continue to be aware, continue to prepare, and continue to practice, y'all. Oh yeah, fam. I really appreciate everybody for rocking with me. I really, really do. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.